thing that I can help people at the space with the most is probably the software stuff.
I can weld, I can machine, I can do woodworking, just about any type of materials I can work with.
I do know some basic programming in C++ and Perl.
I'm pretty good at fixing stuff.
I've worked with a lot of the industrial equipment that we have here at previous jobs, so when people get stumped on stuff like that or something breaks, I can come in and fix that. So that's more or less what I enjoy doing, is fixing things.
A lot of people are coming into things from the hardware side or just getting into microcontrollers, and I can help with their code and stuff like that.
There's a lot of projects here people have been doing that involve manufacturing or involve putting something together on the computer and coming up with an idea or a drawing. I do a lot of that stuff on a regular basis.
I can oxyacetylene weld, arc weld, MIG weld, and TIG weld. I can run a milling machine and a lathe, a bandsaw. I'm an acoustics guy, so I either know everything about sound or I will sound like I do.
I'm trained in electrical engineering, but my bachelor's and master's is in computer science, especially artificial intelligence.
I consider myself to be a skill collector. I use that buzzword a lot because I think it describes me, and I think it describes a lot of people.
I don't know that much about microcontrollers and other computer programmable chips, so that kind of thing. There's a lot of expertise that some of the makers have.
Electronics and robotics, and probably learning how to do some metalworking with the lathe and the mill.
I'm looking to learn just about anything that a lot of interest. People here are into music, here into electronics, robotics. I think robotics will be very interesting to me.
I'd love to learn how to weld.
Really experimenting more with electronics. Most of the time I've done it on my own, and I never really had anybody to ask really stupid questions.
Welding, plasma cutting, milling.
If I needed to put something together, I might glue it, or I might nail it, or find some other way of bolting it together. But somebody else that's comfortable with welding will say, hey, it makes sense to weld this, just weld it. And I'll say, well, I don't know how to do that, so show me and I'll get more comfortable with it.
I want to learn how to use the mill better than I do now. I want to learn how to use lathes, drill presses.
I've been doing software for so long, and it's all these invisible things or web servers and stuff that isn't tangible, and I want something that can, roll over stuff and catch on fire.
Come down to the Makerspace and join us and see what we are about.
Come on down to the Milwaukee Makerspace. Check out what we're doing here. Check out the people that play here. Learn something, teach something. You're guaranteed to be intrigued by something that we do.